One. All right. So now whatever we discuss is being recorded. We'll go to YouTube channel.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, Dinah, and good to see you.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good to see you in active role now for BCBA.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Welcome, Dana, to the working committee officially today. Today, welcome, Dana, to the working committee officially.
Thank you, Arman. Thank you so much.
The 46th monthly meeting.
Yes,
We put you on record.
Yes.
Welcome, Salome. Salome Gonsalves.
I have a feedback for Harman from my friend Zita.
Yes,
Good.
that was a great feedback.
Yeah, she really liked the rice which you sent, and she was really appreciating.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
Yes.
She has come from abroad. I think she was under this thing, no? They were under lockdown, something.
Yes.
She told me she came from abroad and she had to stay home indoors for 7 days or something.
Yeah. She was in quarantine for 14 days. 7 days in the hotel and 7 days at home.
So it's 6:03 and we'll start in just 2 minutes. All right.
Yes.
Pesti, I think visitors have not yet joined. There are 5 visitors. Only Orles has joined. So just have a look.
I think it is good if we can wait a little longer.
I don't know.
How much participants we have now, as of now?
5 minutes, I think.
17.
Okay.
No, I think we'll go ahead in 1 minute at 6:05. So I think 5 minutes is reasonably good period.
Has David joined in? I could hear his voice before.
Pesti, is the screen in full view mode, full screen mode?
To go into the slideshow mode for the full screen. Yes. Now it is fine.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Now, yes.
Hello, Nilesh. I am audible?
Yes.
Okay.
So, Besti, now we'll start. You can put everyone on mute mode. We'll go ahead. So, good evening, everyone, and warm welcome to 46th monthly meeting of BCBA, an initiative of Basin Christian Foundation. This is our 13th online event. We had 9 webinars so far and 3 monthly meetings online during this lockdown period. And this is fourth monthly meeting since lockdown. Before we commence the proceedings, a gentle request to all of you to keep your surroundings on silent mode and then move to a better internet zone. We'll have this meeting in a bilingual setup, Marathi as well as English. BCBA म्हणजे एका चळवळीचा प्रवास, ख्रिश्चन उद्योजक आणि व्यावसायिकांचा, एका स्वप्नाचा, उपलब्ध संसाधनांचा वापर करून आपल्या समुदायासाठी उद्योजकता, कौशल्य तयार करणे आणि एकमेकांची वाढ करणे, पारदर्शकता, वचनबद्धता, उत्कृष्टता आणि विश्वास या तत्वांवर. So let us begin the meeting with prayer. May I request our own David DeMonte to lead us in prayer. David, you can unmute.
Yeah.
Yes.
Good evening, everyone. हे प्रेमळ पित्या, आम्हा वसईतील सर्व ख्रिश्चन व्यावसायिकांना बसिंग ख्रिश्चन बिझनेस असोसिएशनच्या नावाने आम्ही तुझे आभार मानतो. आमच्या असोसिएशनच्या पदाधिकाऱ्यांना तू दूरदृष्टी आणि कृपा दे. त्यांना आलेल्या संकटावर मात, सभासदांना चांगल्या तऱ्हेने मार्गदर्शन व प्रेरणा द्यावी म्हणून तुझी विशेष कृपा दे. हे प्रभू येशू, तुझ्या नावाने सभासदांनी ख्रिस्ती मूल्यानुसार एकजुटीने एकमेकांसाठी व्यवसाय संधी निर्माण करून मदत करावी व व्यावसायिक समृद्धी बरोबरच आमची आध्यात्मिक प्रगती व्हावी म्हणून तुझी विशेष कृपा आम्हालाच दे. हे पवित्र आत्म्या, आमच्या भावी पिढीतील मुलांना आम्ही आदर्श बनावेत. आमच्या व्यावसायिक कार्याद्वारे वसईची व सर्व सभासदांची उत्तरोत्तर प्रगती व्हावी अशी प्रार्थना आम्ही तुझकडे करतो. हे आमच्या स्वर्गीय बापा, तुझे नाव पवित्र मानले जाओ. तुझे राज्य येवो, जसे स्वर्गात तसे पृथ्वीवरही तुझ्या इच्छेप्रमाणे हो. आमची दररोजची भाकर तू आज आम्हाला दे. जसे आम्ही आमच्या अपराध करणाऱ्यांना क्षमा करतो, तसेच तूही आमच्या अपराधांची क्षमा कर. आम्हाला मोहात पडू देऊ नकोस, पण वाईटापासून आम्हाला सोडव. आमेन. थँक्यू.
Thank you, David. Now we have many new members who are attending their first meeting today. So I request Harman sir to unmute himself and update us about the journey of BCBA so far.
Today is the 46th meeting, monthly meeting of BCBA. Formation of BCBA, Basic Christian Business Association, was done in September 2016. We are registered as a charitable purpose. We are registered for charitable purpose under the Societies Registration Act. We have officially registered this. Our main objective is to unite Christian business persons to create possibility of self-employment for the community, for the society. We have every month we have a networking meeting. Since lockdown, we have started online meetings. We have completed 45 meetings successfully. Today is the 46th meeting. Currently, we have 250 plus registered members, and not even a single meeting was cancelled, even in worst conditions. Registration for new Christian business entrepreneurs is possible on our website. We have a website, www.cca.org. You can log in and register from there. We have our account details for the nominal registration fee. We have conducted webinars. We have future plans for conducting webinars, training sessions. Members, in every meeting, we have a slot of 10 minutes for member presentation. Any member can call up the committee member and book this slot in advance. It's absolutely free for the members. When we were physically operating, we had stalls, and hopefully after the corona crisis is over, we will again start the stalls. So any one member can put his stall up at the venue. Discounts are offered there. We have a sense of belonging. Once a member of BCBA, we by default are committed to give a fellow membership an opportunity on priority basis. That is BCBA for you. Thank you, Nilesh.
Thank you, Varman sir. Now, just to give you background of what we did in lockdown period. So these are the 9 webinars that we conducted. Now you can see as a flow, as a rhythm, and as a consistency, we had these webinars on every Friday of the week, and the time was 5 to 6. You can see the speakers. We got the best speakers in town to talk to our members, and these webinars were open to the society as a whole. While these meetings are restricted to only members and their guests, Christian guests. So this is just to capture you the topics and speakers, as you can see. And today is effectively 4th online meeting, monthly meeting. So where the focus will be on close interactions between members. So every member is speaker today. Just to give you background on the overall participants today, those who have registered through the Google form, we had overall registrations of 28. Out of this 28, 22 are members and 6 guests. And if we see the overall residential location of these participants, so 22 are from Baseen region, so Vasai, Virar, Naigaon region, 20 members and 2 guests. From Mumbai, we have 2 members and 3 guests. And outside Mumbai, we have 1 guest with us who has registered. So Atithi Devo Bhavo, that's what we say. आणि वसईकरांसाठी तर स्पेशल असं स्थान आहे आपल्या गेस्टसाठी. सो नाव आय रिक्वेस्ट आवर डायना साटम टू वेलकम अँड इंट्रोड्यूस द गेस्ट.
Thank you, Nilesh. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. And my hearty congratulations for all our guests to being here in our meeting and joining the Baseen Catholic BCBA meeting. BCBA meeting. It's a family of BCBA from Vasai. So I welcome you all, our guests. So just a query, Nilesh, has all the guests come in?
I'm not sure, Diana.
So should I read everyone's name?
Yes. You go ahead. Maybe they'll be joining. I have I checked with them, so they said they'll be joining. So
okay, so
I'm not sure, but
our guests for today are Ronnie Fernandez, Neo Consultant, Terence Vaz, Baseen Fabricator, Dominic Castellino, Star Electronic Concepts, Sandra Almeida from Viva College, Alan Castellino, Transformation LLP, Orlis Gonsalves, he's a student. Welcome you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Diana. So now we move to the next phase, and which is very interesting. Now breakout rooms, which is a lesser known and lesser used functionality of Zoom, and we have got our own BCBA account with Zoom now, and we are trying to explore this functionality today. So I hand it over to Besti for further takeover. So we will have small groups now. And we have bifurcated based on registrations. We have bifurcated these groups. So everyone will be in a particular group. You can see the person in the bold color. So he'll be leading that particular group. Yes, to ensure that everyone gets an opportunity. So we'll have 15 minutes for these closed circuit discussions. So Besti, over to you.
Yes, I am assigning you all into small breakout rooms. Just a small reminder that there will be 2 options when you when you enter into the room. One is leave meeting and the second is leave room. So if you have already finished interacting with your group and you wish to interact with somebody else to come to the main room, please choose the option of leave room. Then you'll have to re-log into the meeting.
No, Besti, I suggest we give them a time limit of 15 minutes. So let them talk for 15 minutes and automatically they'll come back to the main room in 15 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is where we have set the time limit for 15 minutes. If anyone wants to come out, you have to click on leave room. Okay. So.
All right. So Besti, meanwhile you arrange it. Okay. All right.
You have the option of join.
Everyone can join it.
Join. Yes.
Hi, Braun.
Yeah, hello, Nilesh. So
Yes.
I think so we are the two people.
Uh-huh.
So can you hear me clearly now?
Yes, I can hear you, but let me see if this Gregory.
Yes, Nilesh.
Yeah, Gregory. So you're here.
Yes.
You must change your name. Let me change 1 minute. So
What I have to do?
Gregory, whenever you enter this meeting, there is an option to change the name.
Change the name.
Yeah, always it comes as your mobile name. ते चेंज करायला पाहिजे ना तुम्ही.
No, I didn't. I just got up late. I'm confused. Can you tell me again how to change this thing?
No, I have done it. I have done it for you.
Okay. Thanks.
Don't worry. So, Braun, just tell us about yourself. काय करतो तू, कसा काय background वगैरे, how we can help you.
Yeah. So actually, I have done my postgraduate global financial
हाँ,
marketing.
तो आवाज थोडासा लो येतो. थोडासा ते जवळ घेऊन बोल.
Hello.
हाँ.
After doing my post-graduation 2 years full-time in global financial markets, I joined BSE Bombay Stock Exchange, and I was a deputy manager looking after the trading operation activities at BSE. You must be aware of the Bombay Stock Exchange.
ब्रॉन आहे ना, थोडासा काहीतरी डिस्टर्बन्स आहे, म्हणजे एकदम क्लिअर नाही आवाज येत.
Here, Naga.
हाँ.
Hello.
हा, मी तुला सांगितलं काहीतरी थोडंसं आहे ना, काहीतरी त्या पिन मध्ये डिस्टर्बन्स आहे का माहित नाही. त्याचा पिनचा थोडासा असा एक बॅकग्राऊंडला आवाज असतो. हा.
Now, same disturbance.
हा बोल. हा, तो आहे डिस्टर्बन्स थोडासा, पण येस थोडासा इम्प्रूव्ड आहे, बोलू शकतो.
Okay. I think so. The headphone feel.
हा.
त्याच्यानंतर I was working with Bombay Stock Exchange around 4 years,
Okay.
and after that I wanted to start something my own. So where I use my experience and do financial literacy to everyone. असं माझं भाव होतं की माझे जे एज वाले ग्रुप असतात ते युजली इन्व्हेस्टमेंट नाही करत. इन्व्हेस्टमेंट जे करतात, रिटायरमेंट प्लॅनिंग करतात, की ग्लोबल म्हणजे फायनान्शियल प्लॅनिंग असतो ती युजली आपण 40 नंतर 50 नंतर युजली आफ्टर रिटायरमेंट तसंच प्लॅनिंग करतो. जे माझे युथ आहेत फ्रॉम 20 to 30 and 40 एज वाले ती लिटरली प्लॅनिंग नाही करत, फक्त कमवतात बँक मध्ये पैसे टाकतात आणि फ्युचर मध्ये. टुडेज फ्युचर इज अनप्रेडिक्टेबल. आज तुम्हाला जॉब आहे, तुम्हाला उद्या जॉब नसतात. COVID-19 situation. Damn risky. So you need to start your planning. So मला त्याच्यामुळे सर्टिफाईड फायनान्शियल प्लॅनरचं एक्झामिनेशन दिली आणि I started my own company, Financial Planning and Advisory Services. Website पण चालू केली. As of now मी एकटाच माणूस आहे full time. I am planning to have a collaboration with a lawyer and CA to provide various facilities to the client. आणि क्लायंट डिस्कशन असं की ॲज ऑफ ना COVID-19 मी पर्सनली मीट नाही करू शकत, पण मी क्लायंटला व्हिडिओ कॉल झूम कॉल करून 1-to-1 डिस्कशन करतो, त्यांचं फायनान्शियल इव्हॅल्युएशन करतो, रिस्क प्रोफाइलिंग करतो. ऑन दॅट बेसिस मी त्यांना सेग्रिगेट करतो, हा पर्टिक्युलर इन्व्हेस्टर कन्झर्वेटिव्ह आहे, मॉडरेट आहे, ॲग्रेसिव्ह आहे, अलग टाईप असतात इन्व्हेस्टरचे. आणि त्या हिशोबाने मी त्याला फायनान्शियल रेकमेंडेशन देतो, ॲसेट ॲलोकेशन. काहींचे गोल वेगळे असतात, म्हणजे फॉर एक्झाम्पल कोणाला लग्नाचा खर्चसाठी म्हणजे 2 वर्षामध्ये लग्न करत असेल तर तो पर्टिक्युलर खर्च असेल, समजा 2 लाख, तर तो 2 लाख कसा रेस करणार? यू नीड टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम टुडे ऑनवर्ड्स. फॉर एक्झाम्पल फायनान्शियल गोल असेल रिटायरमेंट, मला लवकर रिटायरमेंट पाहिजे, माझं वय आता जर 20 असेल, आय वॉन्ट टू गेट रिटायर्ड बाय 45 or 50, आय टू स्टार्ट डुईंग प्लॅनिंग ॲज ऑफ नाव. तसं त्या हिशोबाने कॅल्क्युलेशन असते, रिटायरमेंट प्लॅनिंग मध्ये एक पर्टिक्युलर कॅल्क्युलेशन असतो. आफ्टर डुईंग अ कॅल्क्युलेशन आम्ही पर्टिक्युलर अमाऊंटला फिगरला पोहोचतो आणि तो फिगरचा अमाऊंट कसं रेस करायचा, कोणत्या प्रोडक्टमध्ये इन्व्हेस्टमेंट करायची. दुसरी गोष्ट इन्शुरन्स प्लॅनिंग असतो. काही लोकांना प्रोडक्ट घेतात इन्शुरन्सची, पण गरज नसते. मला किती इन्शुअर्ड असली पाहिजे, आय एम अर्निंग सो मच, सो त्या हिशोबाने कॅल्क्युलेशन असते. दिस ऑल ॲक्टिव्हिटी आर डन बाय and most is the 2 motives are providing financial literacy to everyone. सगळ्यांना knowledgeable असला पाहिजे आणि दुसरी गोष्ट यंग पीपल आहे त्यांना इन्व्हेस्टमेंटमध्ये इन्व्हॉल्व होण्यासाठी आतापासून ती तुम्ही चालू करा. आणि थर्ड मतलब जी थर्ड पार्टी असतात, इंटरमिडिएटरी असतात, त्याच्यामध्ये जर तुम्ही इन्व्हेस्टमेंट केली तर तुमचं कमिशन जाऊ शकतो. यू कॅन सेव्ह दॅट कमिशन इयरली बेसिस.
ओके
व्हेरियस ऍक्टिव्हिटीज सांगतात.
आय थिंक ग्रेगरी मोनीज जे आहेत आपल्या जोडीला जे ग्रुपमध्ये आहेत ना,
ओके
ही इज इन टू इन्शुरन्स सेलिंग.
ओके ओके. विच कंपनी बट
Gregory,
Yeah.
would you like
Yes,
to
Nilesh.
elaborate? Yeah, please elaborate about your services.
For how long? How many minutes?
For 3 minutes.
Okay. Hello. Good evening.
Yeah.
I am Gregory.
yeah.
I'm Gregory Moniz,
good evening.
financial advisor from Max Life Insurance for the last 9 years. So we are having life insurance products, and in which in this prevailing situation of pandemic condition, we are covering COVID-19 also. And I am also into mediclaims from Max Bopa and ICICI Lombard. And moreover, now I can say that now you see people are mostly anxious, and there are some fearful anxieties prevailing in the minds of people. And most of at least 50-60% people are, they say they are really literally scared of this pandemic. There is nothing like that, but but it is all your mind. It is all your mind, anxiety is if your mind is all right, no problem. And then we are having 100% guaranteed scheme parallel to FD, and in which we are giving 10%, 10 times insurance also. So, and this all the things are there, and even business insurance also. And we are doing digitally also. Within no times, within 2-3 days, we can digitally log in your insurance plans and all these things. Yeah.
All right. Yeah.
Thank you.
Gregory, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See, me, Nilesh Manoj is Manikpur, Paris, sir. I am into management consulting basically. I worked for 15 years, 2002 to 2015. I worked for 13 years, and then I started my own management consulting firm in 2015. We do management audits and investigative reviews for companies, so to improve their processes and systems, and to plug all their revenue leakages. However, small and big company. When I worked, I got an opportunity to work on assignments in US, UK, Poland, Croatia, Dubai, Muscat, Sri Lanka, and across most of the states in India. So it was an extensive travel. Then I thought of starting on my own. So I started in 2015. Now we work with a few corporates and a few small clients here in Vasai and Mumbai as well. जे इंडिव्हिज्युअल प्रोप्रायटरशिप फर्म असतात त्यांच्यासाठी त्या कंपनीजचे आम्ही प्रोसेसेस इम्प्रूव्ह करतो, जिथे म्हणजे मॅनेजमेंट ऑडिट्स करतो, आणि जिथे प्रोसेसेस इम्प्रूव्ह होऊ शकत असतील, द एरियाज वेअर रेव्हेन्यूज आर लिकिंग, possibilities or frauds are high, so we suggest and recommend with process controls, so that I mean companies ensure that they have a long-term destination for themselves.
Okay.
On the other hand, at individual level, we also do tax consulting, insurance and investment consulting. But that is not the focus area. But you know what, when we started tax consulting, तर बरेच क्लायंट येऊ लागले की ते सांगतात की आम्हाला इन्व्हेस्टमेंट पण करायची आहे आणि इन्शुरन्स पण घ्यायचा आहे, तर वाय डोंट यू ओनली प्रोव्हाइड सर्व्हिस. सो मग आम्ही ती सर्व्हिस पण प्रोव्हाइड करायला लागलो. मग एम्फीचं रजिस्ट्रेशन वगैरे घेतलं, इन्शुरन्सचं रजिस्ट्रेशन घेतलं, आणि नाव वी डू दॅट सर्व्हिस, अँड वी आर नाव असोसिएटेड विथ NJ आणि प्रुडंट, इफ यू आर अवेअर ऑफ दॅम. हा, सो त्यांच्याबरोबर आम्ही काम करतो. पण ऍज मी सांगितलं तसं की ती फोकस एरिया नाही आहे आमची. फोकस एरिया आमची मॅनेजमेंट कन्सल्टिंग आहे, जिथे मॅनेजमेंट ऑडिट्स वगैरे आम्ही करतो कंपनीजचे किंवा इंडिव्हिज्युअल प्रोप्रायटरशिप बिझनेसेस जे असतात. सो वी डू ऑडिट फॉर दॅम. in one of our client at Andheri, we and Vijay Dabre worked together in one assignment. So wherein we do their management audit, and we take help from Vijay Dabre's firm for filing export claims. So असा हा overall background आहे. And I am also a founder member of BCBA. सध्या जे BCBA चे जे ऑपरेशन्स होतात ते माझ्या ऑफिस मधून होतात. तिथे स्टेलाला माझं ऑफिस आहे.
Okay. So Nilesh, how many manpower we have under you?
Currently I have a team of 5 people, 1 chartered accountant आणि 3 BCom graduate आहेत.
Okay.
मोस्टली आमचं काम जे आहे ते मोस्टली मुंबईला चालते.
Okay.
तर इथे आपल्या वसईच्या ऑफिसमध्ये एक पर्सन असतो आणि तो मेनली ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह कामासाठी असतो. बाकी मुंबईला वगैरे जास्त असतात. आणि मग आता जसं टॅक्स फायलिंगचा सीझन आलेला आहे, मग त्यावेळेला मग ते काय म्हणजे ऑफलाईन पण होते आजकाल. म्हणजे असं काय त्याच्यासाठी कोण इथे पर्सनली बसलेला पाहिजे असं काही जरूरत नाही. सो ते पण आम्ही काम करतो. सो वेन एव्हर यू हॅव सम वर्क लाईक दॅट, सो यू कॅन कीप अस अपडेटेड अँड वी कॅन वर्क टुगेदर ऑन दॅट. टॅक्स फायलिंग वगैरे समजा तुमची कोणत्या क्लायंटची करायची असेल, so we can do that.
Nilesh, one more point I want to add. I forgot that. माझा जो बिझनेस आहे कम्प्लिटली फक्त फायनान्शियल प्लॅनिंग आहे. आय डोंट सेल एनी प्रोडक्ट सर्व्हिसेस. फक्त क्लायंटला सांगतो की कोणत्या ह्याच्यामध्ये इन्व्हेस्टमेंट करायचं. सो आय हॅव अ क्लायंट, दे वॉन्ट टू अप्रोच फॉर इन्शुरन्स or mutual fund investment, I can coordinate with you.
Yes. Correct. Very true.
Execution तुम्ही करू शकता. Advice
Yes. Correct. बरोबर. बाकी विजय डाबरे मीटिंगला कधी आले नाही. खूप कमी येतात ते मीटिंगला. ते थोडेसे बिझी असतात.
बाबांना पण बरं नाही.
हा. अच्छा. ओके. बरोबर. पण गुड साइन दॅट आवर न्यू जनरेशन इज एंटरिंग बिझनेसेस, जी सुरुवातीला नव्हते. आणि मी 2015ला सुरू केल्यानंतर मला असं वाटलं की काहीतरी आपल्या लोकांसाठी पाहिजे. आणि मग आम्ही थोडेसे असे यंग एंटरप्रेनर्स होते, ते येऊन मग 2016ला आम्ही BCBA सुरू केलं.
The journey must be damn difficult initial days.
very much difficult. Initially रजिस्ट्रेशन आम्ही केलं नाही, कारण हसायला खूप लोक होते. ते बोलले की अरे काय तुम्ही 3-4 महिन्यात बंद पडेल, असे तुमच्यासारखे येऊन खूप गेले. सो पण ते वी एक्सेप्टेड ॲज चॅलेंज अँड नाव वी आर ऑलमोस्ट कम्प्लिटिंग 4 years कन्सिस्टंटली. म्हणजे एव्हरी मंथची मीटिंग होती, केवढाही पाऊस असो की काही असो, आपली मीटिंग झाली.
That's great. That's awesome.
So once you also join, and I mean you can also come on board, you can also participate in working committee आणि अजून काही आयडिया असतील. सो हे सगळं ऑनररी आहे. आपलं सगळं आपण म्हणजे ऑनररी करतो. आज म्हणजे जेवढं सगळं प्लॅनिंग वगैरे ना, यू कॅन सी की मीटिंगसाठी किती प्लॅनिंग आपलं जात असेल. रजिस्ट्रेशन घ्या, हे करा, ते करा, प्रेझेंटेशन बनवा, मग कोण काय बोलणार, ते म्हणजे खूप प्लॅनिंग जाते. So working committee is doing it honorary, but you know what? When you do something honorary, there is some visibility.
Yes.
So तसा आहे, टाइम जातो, पण थोडा आपण टाइम देतो. तो बिझनेस साठीच आहे, थोडी विजिबिलिटी.
बरोबर.
एक मिनिट, गेस्ट जॉइन होतं. लिव्ह रूमचा ऑप्शन आहे का? लिव्ह रूम
आला.
हा. Yes.
Or the private colleges. We don't deal with many private colleges unless we know it personally. Yeah.
That's good.
So I've actually begun a workshop, IELTS workshop, which is from today, 7:30. So I'm doing it for 3 days, and it's a free IELTS workshop.
Send me the link. Yeah, I'll try. Yeah.
So most of our are back.
Yes, everyone is back.
Okay, great.
Looks like time was insufficient, Bestie.
Absolutely, absolutely. Good evening.
It is a kickstart to your one-to-ones. You can take it forward, but
Yeah,
it is to generate that interest. So now
absolutely.
we all know how important it is to connect with each other
True,
one-on-one. And
true,
now
very
we'll
true,
be more interested in getting to know each other personally. That was
very
the
true.
main purpose of the breakout rooms.
Though it was the first experience, it was a very good experience.
Very nice, very nice
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
a
Good,
very
good,
good
same
good.
here.
So,
Appreciate it.
can
Diana,
I,
I am happy. Diana, I am happy.
Yeah, yeah.
I am happy.
Samson, where the hell are you?
Right? Diana, I am happy. Why? I will tell you one thing. Why? Because
Samson,
Diana has a.
you were in our group.
I was in group, but why Diana? Especially for every BCBA member. Why Diana? I am happy for Diana. Anyone can guess?
And
Anyone, just one.
formal attire.
I am also formal, but I am happy for Diana because Diana has a backdrop called Neil Consultancy Services.
Samson, we
That's
have
the
time. Samson, we have
she is
time
telling now.
limitation.
Yeah.
All right. So, we have Alan here, our visitor from Mumbai. Alan, welcome.
Yes,
We welcome
yes,
you and
Nilesh.
we introduced, but I think you were not there at that point of time. So, welcome.
Okay.
Alan got disconnected in between. That's why he couldn't join.
Yeah.
I hope you have gone back into the room. Yes, Alan?
Yes,
Alan
yes. I got introduced to Stenil, Herman, and O'Neill, I guess.
Very good.
Yes.
Very good. Very
Yeah, and I know Dinah Satam very well. She takes
Yeah.
care of my, manpower services.
good. Good. So,
Initially,
Yes,
Payash
very nice.
Miranda had come into my room. Initially, Payash Miranda came into my room. Someone kidnapped him after that. I don't know very well.
Okay.
No, I had a different members now in our group.
all right. So,
Anyway, it was great.
can I request Eric to unmute and share some experience of this breakout room?
Thanks, Liz, for the opportunity. Yeah, indeed, it was a good experience to know my members in the breakout room. David DeMonte and Sandra. She has come up with a very good business. We really need to look up and motivate these young entrepreneurs because very unfortunate that we all know that athletes we do not have that blood, okay, and we do not get that anxiety and energy level. Neither nobody helps us to do that. But when we look at this small young entrepreneurs coming and joining BCB and into business, it really feels good to know. And the best part is, a lot of times we just run the WhatsApp. Today I got to know that Sandra is doing a business of marinated chicken or marinated frozen food, which is like a need of an hour.
Okay.
If you do one-to-one, you really come to know the importance of the person and what exactly the business the other person is doing.
Thank you. Thanks, Eric, for sharing.
Excellent.
Nilesh,
Yes.
hello.
Yeah, David.
Yeah. The other partner, her name is Salome Gonsalves. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. I think
I'm sorry.
you
It's
just
Salome,
spoke
yeah.
about Sandra.
Yeah. All right.
I'm sorry. That's the reason we need to do regular one-to-ones.
Yeah, Eric.
Yeah.
Yes. So we'll increase the time next time.
Sure. Thank you.
Sure.
All right. We move to our next session of the meeting. Just to keeping in mind the time limits. Member presentation. So an effective business presentation makes the best use of relationship between the members. It takes full consideration of attendance needs in order to capture the interest, develop their understanding, and inspire their confidence and achieve the presenter's objective. So here we have today Samson Gomes and Bestie Ruben to present their business for 10 minutes. So now may I invite Samson Gomes to start his presentation. Samson, you can share the screen now.
Please unmute yourself. Yes.
So this is the opportunity for every member, and the member must make use of this opportunity.
Okay, I'm Samson Gomes, architect, interior designer, immovable property valuer, educationist, product developer, and user interface designer for Android and Apple apps. I don't design a Apple app. I just make a user interface and then someone designs it. So currently, and I do bungalow interiors, I do bungalows, I do valuation. So today I'm bringing a unique understanding and trying to understand how it goes about. Julian was there and Nina was there in my breakout room. They must have got a fair idea what I was talking about. So my first question is, are you working from home? Think twice. Are you working from home? Okay. Are you working from home or helping your child to study? The first point, this is the case today from last lockdown, I guess. So a parent is sitting nearby and a child is studying. Daddy, what is this? Daddy, what is that? So for everyone, this is the question. Are you working from home or helping your child to study? Sitting on a floor for more than 4 hours in this position, you can see, everyone can see the position, I guess. In this position can give you a spine problem for in a 30 days. Sorry. So again, are you working from home or are you trying to work from home or are you helping yourself to work from home? Just a second. Are you working or teaching? Now you have become a teacher because you are work from home and you are work from, sorry, and students are doing schooling from school. It's like you are teaching with a teacher to your student. Are you happy or pretending to be happy? This is a question again. All my presentation slides are question mark because there is some survey to be followed. So are you pretending to be happy or you're still happy and working from home? When one child pulls up your mobile, other child asks you a question. Dad, can I eat this food? Dad, I want a sweet dish. Dad, I want that. And at the same time, your boss wants to finish the business presentation. Again, are you working from home? Working from home when a family is watching a TV is really challenging. Try to see the person with a headphone and a computer and there is a match. So again, are you working from home? Working, playing, reading, all in one. You cannot laugh at that particular point. Just you can show that you are laughing. At the same time, you are trying to find out how can I make a business presentation. So many images showing you're working from home. Images also showing you are stressed up working from home. A couple sitting outside of the veranda and both are sitting down and trying to work from home. And both the cases, the boss doesn't know where they are sitting. See, when you sit at home, working from home, at least if it's a salesperson, the company or the other side of the company should at least know which company you belong to, which is the product you are trying to sell. Is this your sales attire? I'm confused. Trying to work at home with doing ironing, trying to work at home while doing dining, and trying to sleep or work at home, all are confused statements. So I will ask you some questions. Now, this is the ideal work from home, but no one has a liberty of having a single room for work from home, at least not in Mumbai. We in Vasai or we in Virar have a bungalow to have a room separately and work from home. Mumbai and metros don't have this much spacious ability to work from home. So I will give you a form on the BCBA group and I want you to fill the form. People filling the survey will receive a free gift, either delivered at the business place or some other roadmap in a month's time. I cannot assure you tomorrow I will bring the gift, but I want assurance from all the members that they and in their circle circulate this Google form and get it filled. Once I get it filled, I get the mobile number and names and address. I will deliver it the free gift. Kindly fill all the details genuinely. We are trying to formulate something based on the data received. The 5-minute survey will help us in formulating something. something for you. Okay, for everyone, if you have a mobile in front of you other than the screen laptop, take a QR code photo. This photo will lead you to the forms. If not, by today's meeting end, we'll send the form in the group. I will wait for 30 seconds and then I will close this slideshow. This is Samson Gomes again, architect by profession, and trying to bring the Christian community and trying to help the entire system of Christian business people, and in turn, I am also helping myself to grow my business. Architect by profession, bungalows, interiors, any of your circle knows, anyone wants bungalows, anyone wants interiors, you can refer me. Word of mouth is the best publicity for me, which is achieved in 3 years by BCBA Group. I have done more than 50 lakh business in BCBA Group, and through various channels. I do interiors, I do bungalow architecture, I do classes for NATA, NAD, NFT, UCIT. We do valuation for Basin Catholic, Model Bank, Citizen Bank, and I do some apps designing, UX or UI designing. So I will close down the presentation, and thank you for everyone for helping me out.
Thank you, Samson, and BCBA is really proud to have you as a member, and not only member but as a founder member. Thank you, Samson. So may I now invite?
Can he paste the link on the group as well?
Yes, now I will speak.
May I invite now Besti to start her presentation? Besti, you're on mute.
Yes.
All right. Okay.
Hello, everyone. And my topic for today is practical learning. And my name is Besti Ruben Matthew. I hope I am audible and visible to everyone.
Yes, Besti.
So if we consider the question, what do you need for your business to grow? There are 3 things which we could place above everything else. And the first is ideas, which are inevitable. And the second is definitely a very good investment, either an investor or else self-investment. And thirdly, what we all are here today for, which is, without a question, networking. We need a network of friends, network of people who understand our ideas, who can help us, who can support us, and who can back us up every time we want them to, and who are always there with us. Now, if we consider and look at the other side of the coin, we already saw what we want. Let us look at what others want from us as a businessman. The first thing is they want to understand your ideas. Everyone wants to understand your ideas, and they want you to convince them to invest in your business. And thirdly, we can see that they want to connect with you as a friend and or as a contact, as an act. So understand, convince, and connect are the 3 things which help you and which help others to know you as a person and to grow your business. We all are currently looking forward to resume, or we can say some to restart our business, right? Immediately after the lockdown, we are just waiting for the time when we are going to resume our business. And at that time, the question is, where will you look for these connects? Are we looking for it locally? Is it enough? The obvious answer is no. We have BCBA members from all around the world, because locally is not enough. Is nationally alone enough? Is it okay for you to just have contacts of people who are in other cities, in other states? Is it sufficient? No. But if we ask the question internationally, yes, we all want international connects. And for this, our previous points were to convince, to understand, convince, and to connect. Now more than ever, if we consider among all the languages, which can I learn fastest and with maximum benefit? Which language? There is a language which I can learn other than my vernacular language, which I can learn the fastest and which will benefit me the most. Yes, you know the answer. I know that there is an answer forming in all our minds right now. And we know that if we are fluent in it, congratulations, because you have a world of opportunities waiting for you. Every opportunity that you can grab in this world to lead you to your success. But if you aren't, you know some people around you who aren't, and it's time to think about it, to act now, and to reap the benefits later. Because knowing this language helps you not only to make a living. Today, most of us who are here today, this language is the primary or the secondary reason for your success as a businessman. Yes, am I right? I hope you all can agree with me here. And then, did you notice one thing? I did not mention in the past 5 slides what my target language is. Is there anyone who can guess this target language? Who can tell me now?
English.
Okay, thank you very much. Did everyone have the same language in your mind?
Yes.
Yes, it is, because we all guessed it even without mentioning it, because it is common knowledge that English is the language the world wants you to learn today, and today more than ever, because it helps you. It's a language which helps you connect, and this is the language which helps us not only connect but also establish ourselves. The three points to always remember: to understand, to convince, and to connect. This is what we need to make others understand our ideas, to convince them of our ideas so that we can get investment into our business. And thirdly is to connect with others and to form the network that we want. What did we do in the past 15 minutes in our breakout rooms? We were connecting. And the best language you used is definitely English, because it creates a greater impression. And you know that it creates an impression that we are educated and that we have good understanding about what you are, what about your ideas and what your plans are. It makes you confident. My journey as an English trainer and an English teacher started when I was 10 years old. I was in 5th standard and I began teaching in churches, village streets, under the trees. And then I went on in my life to do my BA English Literature and got into the travel industry, where I help people in their visas in corporates. And also I taught English later on to businessmen, politicians, professionals, and every field that today I could imagine of, or you could imagine. And I feel today that after a lot of almost of 20 years of experience, I have reached a stage where I can have nearly perfected the art of teaching communicative English. And by God's grace, I've been certified by the British Council, and I've got my Cambridge CELTA. And just like this presentation, when you come to me, I can assure that just like this presentation, learning English is simple and it can be fun too. Because when you learn this language, you learn something new every day. The only thing and the very only thing that you need is the willingness and dedication to learn it. Yes, because this language can help you enhance your skills, it can help you express your ideas, and definitely what we all are here for and looking forward to is expand our business. So to know about what we do, me and my husband Ruben, we teach English through drama, and you can follow us on Facebook. This is our Facebook page where we conduct weekly sessions and also monthly sessions on various skills that we need today during the lockdown for the youth, especially free of cost. And also I'm also the principal of Sheetal Academy, which is a well-known English speaking institute in Vasai. So thank you. That's all about me. And I hope today you all got to know the other side of me other than an immigration consultant. Thank you very much. And I also want to tell you lastly that today for 3 days, today 7:30 onwards, we have a free IELTS workshop where I'm covering all the modules in detail. So if there are any friends of yours who want to join from tomorrow onwards, please contact me. Thank you very much, everyone.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Bestie. And we are really proud to have you with us in an active role. Now, can I invite our first-timers to, say a few words what they have learned so far? Maybe to begin with, Nina. Nina, you want to share something what you have learned so far before we commence next phase of the meeting?
Yeah, sure. I really liked the session. I liked firstly how organized everything is. There was an entire schedule of how the entire meeting was. That kind of impressed me in the very first go when I saw the entire schedule. Also in the meeting, I like this 10 minutes session which Bestie and Samson had for themselves. So we got to know more about the business that they do. So overall, it's a good experience, and I really like the breakout room concept. I have not seen this anywhere else. So yeah, I really like this kind of a concept. Good going.
Sure. Thank you. Thanks, Nina. All right, so members, now we have come to one of the most keenly awaited part of meeting and infomercials. So now you have larger breakout room now. So you have entire room for your marketing. So members will get an opportunity to introduce themselves just in 30 seconds. So their business and how BCBA can help them. So just in 30 seconds. So now I request Samson Gomes to lead this session. Samson, are you here?
Can you hear me? Okay. Samson Gomes, everyone can hear me?
Yeah, Samson.
Okay. I'm an architect by profession. I completed my bachelor's in architecture 2008 till 2020. I did business. I'm doing business in Vasai, Virar area. So anyone who wants architectural service or whose friend needs architectural service, like bungalow banaycha hai, or elevation pahije, kasa disnar bungalow, any type of thing related to architecture, interior. I want interior designer, koi to chahiye. I want something fall ceiling designer. So these all concepts are under Samson Gomes Associates or Samson Gomes SJ Design. So once again, Samson Gomes from SJ Designs, architecture, interior and value. Thank you.
Hello.
Yes, sir, we can hear.
Herman D'Souza. My business name, my company's name is Herman Homes. I have another company which in the name of Anvitri Foods LLP. Now, Herman Homes is into property trading, buying and selling flats, shops, commercial complex, industrial garage. So, anybody who's not affected by COVID-19 can please come to Herman Homes. We are still open and we still buy properties and we sell properties, we sell homes, we buy homes. Anvidya Foods is about rice, wholesale rice. We have Kolam and Basmati. We sell minimum 25 kg bag at wholesale rates. Harman D'Souza for Harman Homes. Thank you.
Can we have David? David, are you here?
Hello.
Yes, David.
Nilesh, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, myself, David Demonte from Giving Best Solutions. We do give service and products for LIC, Star Health, Mediclaim, group insurance, and surgical cookware. That is another aspect. How to cook healthy food. Same time with healthy oil. We do sell Ayur Shakti brand cold press oil. There are many risks in life, and we give best solution for every risk you face day in and day out in your life. David Demonte from Giving Best Solutions. Thank you.
Thank you, David. This is Nilesh Menezes from NM Consulting, Partnering Business Care. We plug all financial leakages in your businesses by recommending efficient and effective process controls. This is a local firm with global experience and understanding of local needs. So we do work with small and big clients. Once again, Nilesh Menezes from NM Consulting, Partnering Business Care. Thank you.
Hello, this is Salome Gonsalves from Tender and Spices. And
Salome, you will get a chance. You will get a chance. That will reflect on your screen. Just see the next presenter.
So hello everyone. My name is Besti Rubin and my business is Immigration and Education Services. And we specialize in Canadian PR and education. Even though the process of Canadian immigration is online, it is not yet time to apply for it. It is time to prepare for your IELTS, which is the first step to get qualified and the right points for you to build up towards your Canadian PR application. And for Canadian education as well, if you want to study, and especially if anyone wants to do their research, the postdoctoral doctorate research, Canada is the best place. And yes, so that's it. Besti Rubin from Immigration and Education Services. Thank you.
Pius Miranda, please.
Unmute. Oh, sorry.
Can we have Pius Miranda? Pius Miranda.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Okay, I'm Pius Miranda, Sky Broadband Services and Miranda Enterprise Estates. I'm into essential service based in Naigaon, that is cable network and internet services. Beside this, I'm into land dealings, whether it is a plot for bungalow in Vasai or a farmhouse outside Vasai, Tilwada, Palghar. I'm there for you, Pius Miranda. Thank you.
Diana, can we have you?
Friends, I am Diana Satam from Neil Consultancy Services. We are into payroll and statutory compliances. We also help in obtaining licenses such as shops and establishment and contract labor license. And I have another company named as Expert Cleans. What do? We wash your cars at your doorstep. It is a 26-day service where we give one internal cleaning along with sanitization. We also help in housekeeping and house cleaning for our clients. So for further details, please contact me. I am Diana Satam. Thank you very much.
Colin, are you there? Alex?
Yes, good evening, everybody. This is Alex. The name of my company is Solutions. We are basically into maintenance and repairs. We take over contracts for bungalows, warehouses, society, apartments, holiday homes, and guest houses. So it's a turnkey solution for everything. We look into electricals, plumbing, mechanical, solar panels, water heaters. You name it, we do it. Okay. So this is Alex, and thank you.
Alex, 1 minute.
Yeah.
I didn't
Go on.
understood. You do turnkey AMC or one item AMC like electric?
Both, sir, both. I prefer AMCs because I have a certain relation with customers.
Share the cost card on BCB or to me. Thank you.
I will do that. Who's this? May I know, please?
Samson Gomes.
Okay, Samson. Surely I'll do it. Samson. Thank you. Yeah. Thanks, Sam.
Yeah, Rakesh.
He isn't here.
Yes, Eric.
Hi, good evening. My name is Eric Fonseca, representing MEBT Glass. We deal in architectural glasses, and I have my own factory in Boigapata for glass designing and etching. We supply all type of glasses for residential and commercial both. We take a pride in saying that we convert your imaginations into glass. Thank you so much. Once again, signing off. This is Eric Fonseca from MEBT Glass.
Yeah, Salome.
Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Salome Gonsalves and my business name is Tenders and Spices. I sell. Sorry. I have my business of marinated raw chicken, where I marinate raw chicken like whole chicken, the wings, legs, and I sell them. So I'm Salome Gonsalves from Tender and Spices.
Thank you, Salome.
Hello everyone, I'm Nina DeCosta from Bakes from Home. I am an FSSAI registered healthy home baker. My USP lies in the fact that I use whole grains like whole wheat, nachni, jowar among others to bake my products. I bake healthy cookies, tea cakes, breads and celebration cakes as well. My cookies do not have refined sugars or baking powder or baking soda, so they're absolutely healthy for everyone. Please connect with me for your cakes and cookie needs and bread needs. Nina DeCosta from Bakes from Home. Thank you.
Good.
Cal Fernandez.
Hi, I'm Carl, and this is my first meeting, and I'm into lubricants. We deal with all brands of oils, engine oils for cars, pickups, buses, trucks, two-wheelers, three-wheelers, everything that your vehicle requires when it breaks down or gives you trouble.
Thank you, Carl. Stenel? Can we have Stenel?
I think Stenel left. He just put a message.
Oh, all right.
Stenel has another meeting, so he has left.
All right. So, Braun?
Yeah, hi. Good evening, everyone. My name is Braun Dabre. I'm a professional PE financial advisor. I'm not a typical like a commission advisor. I'm a certified financial advisor from the US, and I provide advice based on your financial evaluation and risk profiling. The various services offered are like financial goal planning, retirement planning, insurance planning, tax planning, and various advisory services. You can check my website at www.cornerstonefea.com. Thank you.
Thanks, Braun. Can we have Julian?
Yes, sure. Good evening. This is Julian Sequeira, representing Cut Copy Paste and laser cutting, laser engraving, and gift manufacturing company. So this is what we manufacture. These are cake toppers, and I was very happy to know that we have Nina with us, with me in the breakdown room. So these are the kind of cake toppers that we make. I just like to introduce the easy to assemble and easy to dismantle product that we made for the cake bakers as well as for the caterers. So this is the product which we can easily have made, and it's easy to travel, and you can keep your cake and can be cut during the wedding ceremony as well as birthday ceremony. So thank you very much, BCBA, for giving me the opportunity. Thanks. Have a great day.
Thanks. Can we have Eric Vaz?
Hi, good evening, everybody. My name is Eric Vaz. My business name is Bryce Solar. I'm in a solar business for residential as well as commercial and industrial purpose. As per the today's condition, which is due to COVID, the world is also telling us that go solar and go green, go solar. So do refer me for your any need of solar systems for your residential as well as industries. Thanks.
Thank you, Eric. Can we have Gregory Moniz?
Yes, thank you. Hello, good evening all. I am Gregory Moniz, financial advisor since 9 years with the international 175 years old brand Max Life, and we are dealing in life insurance, mediclaim, and general insurance. In this prevailing precarious situation, you can rely with us for whatever kind of insurance, and you rest assured with us. Gregory Moniz from Max Life, Manikpur, since 9 years. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks, Gregory. Now we have our guests. Can I request Sandra to unmute and introduce her?
Hello.
Yeah,
I'm Sandra Shamir Almeida, College of Arts, Commerce and Science. I'm been teaching there.
Sandra, we lost you. Can you please repeat again?
Yeah. One second. Getting my voice?
Yes.
Yeah. I'm Sandra Shamir Almeida from Viva College of Arts, Commerce and Science. I'm teaching since 14 years in that college, 7 years in junior college, and now from past 7 years in degree college. Teaching has become my passion. It's a sacrament for me, and here I'm here with you to learn some business tips, because being a commerce student, I want to start my own business. So I'm learning from you. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Sandra. Can we have Alan Castellino?
Yeah, good evening, people. This is Alan Castellino. I'm the managing director with Mumbai Rozgar Private Limited and co-founder of Transformatrix LLP. We are a HR recruitment and CA services company. We are based out of Vidya Vihar, and we are here to kind of support each and every business with regards to their manpower services, and any company which is looking to scale up, any startup which is looking to kind of hire people, you can definitely refer them to us. And obviously, I'd be more than happy to kind of connect you all to the kind of network that I have. So this is Alan from Mumbai Rozgar Private Limited. Thank you.
Alan, can we have your contact details on the chat, please?
Yeah, sure. I'll share it. I'll share it on this message.
Would be wanting to connect with you.
Thank you everyone. And I think we have completed most of the sessions today. Just few announcements. The plans of BCBA. You know what? A few days back, someone posted a message on BCBA group giving a slap to BCBA committee members. Like Batman giving a slap to a person. So it's like a member giving slap to BCBA committee members, saying webinars are enough. Though that is a fun, but I mean, still we are taking that in positive spirit. So we also understand that, I mean, there could be limitation in in learnings to someone. But how we can make these webinars, Friday's webinars, which are being conducted in a rhythmic manner every Friday as a consistency. So then we had brainstorming sessions, and then we came out with an option to have a virtual site visit. So if we can have it wherein a member can display his facility, his service or his product, how it is being made, if he can show it virtually, and every member can have an opportunity to have a look at it sitting from the comfort of his home or office. So that's where coming Friday we will have a virtual site visit as against the webinar. We'll have a virtual site visit from Dinah Satam. So she will display her services, how it is being conducted, and so that we know her and her services better, which will be useful for referring her services to our other contacts. At the same time, as we made announcement yesterday, now we have our own Zoom account, BCBA's own Zoom account, and it is a paid version, upgraded version. So that will be available to our members with a nominal fee of ₹10 per session of 3 hours. Now, if you ask us why ₹10, so it is like that remains in our permanent record. So how many people used it, and it is not in cash, but the member who wants it, he'll have to make online transfer in our bank account, and that's where he will get the credentials, or it will be facilitated to him or her, either by Bestie or by myself. So these are the two announcements we had today. And now I request Pius Miranda to go ahead with final Thanksgiving.
Nilesh, before Pius goes for the final Thanksgiving, I just wanted if you would like to talk about our initiative for the COVID-19 affected loss of job people. Yeah, because I find Alan Castellino's profile interesting. He could help us in finding jobs for some of the affected people.
Correct. So just
I will
to
give idea.
Yeah,
Yes,
Samson,
yes,
you want to go ahead?
Yeah, I want to go ahead on other topic also, which you forget, I guess.
Yes, you go ahead, Samson.
Okay, so I will share the screen first and then we'll continue. Let's see. Okay. Share. Slides. Okay, BCBA did many initiatives. Firstly, from 2016, BCBA started and many referrals happened, many business transactions happened. From 2016 till 2018, there was a list of transactions in Excel format, which was done and we have produced at many places. From 2018 to 2020, many are doing a business, but some are only giving the reference that I have did a business with them. This one, I have done a business with other person. We want everyone to at least share the name of the person who you did business with and what you did business with. Example, I did business with Herman. What? I took a property. What? I bought a chicken malai. Oh, what? So at least you have to nomenclate what business you did with a fellow BCBA person. From 2018, 2020, we had taken some of the reference and put in the Excel. It's not some. The word is some because I have got only this much reference in the group. So I will just go give you a gist of what was the reference about. Before that, 25th meeting pick just for entertaining. 37th meeting, 3rd anniversary pick again for an entertainment. These people came and everything was so good. David DeMonte did business with these all people, but David didn't confirm for what he did business with. David is into different types of business. So I expect David to give the details also of what business he did with these people. Means David has done a business. David earned money by selling something to these people. For Samson Gomes, David sold a policy. Samson Gomes, these were the business. If I start explaining, it will take time. So this will share in the group tomorrow. So business done with and business given to. These are two different parts. Kevin D'Souza, again, he did a business and he earned something. So with Alfred Ruvel, these business. Herman D'Souza, George Dabre. George Dabre had a big list, so I just did a comma and names continuously. George is into selling of cold cuts and homemade products. Elliot Falcao sold furnishing to my 10 sites. Eric Fonseca is into glass and did these businesses where I referred some and others are his own business he did for selling glass, sliding windows and glass works. Julian Sequeira into acrylic pro-grade items and POP. So we did a business and others, Embrace Sequeira, Basin Brandy, Stanley Pinto, he sold some items which are pro-grade and pro-standy. Some people whom I bought this, I purchased, but they were not reluctant to share on the group. Crompton Rex, who sold a pump. Jotun Stephen, who sold paint to one of the members called Sunil D'Souza. Stenel gave me a business for interiors in Mulund. Shital Chavan bought cold press oil. Mandek Almeida had big business circle, so I will not explain each and everything. Nilesh manages from 2016 to 18 was different. This is 2018 to 20. Charles Miranda also did a business. Danny DeCosta did. Francis, I don't know the surname, also conveyed. And then Dr. Stanley Pinto Bhartia has given business. He has purchased some items from the group. From the right side, you can see all the items he purchased. Malcolm Almeida did business with 3 companies. These is our contact details for YouTube and Facebook. We'll wait for 30 seconds. You can just click a photo in the QR code and you can just go to the link of YouTube. You will see all the presentations, all the videos of the Till Date event. Again, the Facebook link, you go there. In YouTube, you have to subscribe to get the videos back to back. In Facebook, you like some items, so the link goes more. Okay, these are the referrals and testimonies given by people. I suggest everyone to give more testimonies to increase our database, to increase our membership, and to increase our BCBA foundation. So in COVID times, there's a new initiative which BCBA took with the Diocese of Vasai under Bishop. So it was a case that there are many people who lost their jobs, many people who came down from the ships, many who got reduced salary or no salary. Some have been listed, and then Nilesh made a form where all the items were listed. And then we were called, some 5-6 people went to the Bishop House to give some details. And then it was announced in church. If you see Delika Missa in the morning of your own parishes, you will see a form to be filled by BCBA and Diocese of Vasai. So we intended and we got many registrations. Now the case is, these registrations are being copied in the PDF format in the BCBA website. So we request all the BCBAs, whoever has a vacancy in any type of thing, kindly refer that chart, take the database, like you will have an email ID, their qualifications, their need of the job, what they can perform on the job, what is their age, what is their experience, everything is given. So once you see this, and if you like some of the profile, take it on your email ID and send a message to them. They will in turn contact you. We haven't kept mobile numbers and names in the website for the simple reason there may be a problem in website sharing of the mobile numbers. So I suggest you and the entire circle of 300 BCBA group to in turn share this. We'll share on the PDF now the total listings. It's somewhere more than 450. If you find anyone, just mail them and invite for the interview. So I guess this is done with me. I will pass on the mic, Nilesh.
Thank you, Samson. Harman sir, just to update you, Alan is here, but basically they work on leadership roles in an organization. But at the same time, I will also request Alan that, I mean, as you know that we have a challenging situation with the people. So we have uploaded the entire data on our website. So at any point of time, if you see any possibility say on a lower level staff requirements. So just to visit our website. We have a list available there.
Can I take 2 minutes, Nilesh? If I
Yes,
can.
yes. Yeah, Alan.
Okay. See, the reason why I mentioned that message is because what has happened is recently I got a call from some Vasai Panchayat person. Okay, and he had marked an email to me, and then I reverted back on his email, and I gave my details. And what that person has done is he has made a customized message as per his institution, and he has displayed my mobile number and my email ID. So it's a managing director's mobile number and email ID. So what is happening is on a daily basis, I'm getting 60, 70 calls. So, my number is more for B2B, not for B2C. For that, I have a team of around 100 people. So, it becomes literally difficult. And plus what is happening, Nilesh, is most of these guys who have lost their jobs, they are from hotel industry, they are from, especially hospitality, events, those kind of background. And right now, those kind of jobs are not there. And there are very limited opportunities out there in the market. So, and most of these guys are calling out of desperation. So it becomes quite difficult to explain. And imagine one person taking half an hour of your time. It is, next to impossible.
Absolutely.
So just wanted to share that with you all.
Yeah,
Thank you.
sure. And we completely understand and appreciate help. Right. So, all right, that's it. So I pass it on to Mr. Pius Miranda to say final thanks. Yes. Now we can hear you.
I first of all thank all the guests. Ronnie Fernandez, Dominic Castellino, Terence Vaz, Sandra Almeida, Alan Castellino, Orlinus Burles. Same time, all the committee members for the dedication and continuous efforts in making this 46th BCBA monthly business meeting a successful one. And at the end, thank all the other members in this online meeting. मित्रांनो, हा जो आपला ख्रिश्चन समाज आहे तो फार मोठा समाज आहे आणि मोठा मार्केट आहे. हा एक समाज आपला इतर बिझनेस गुजरात मारवाडी समाज याच्याकडे एक मार्केट म्हणून पाहिलं जाते. आणि माझा एक 4-5 वर्षापूर्वीचं एक स्वप्न होतं की का नाही आपल्या एंटरप्रेनर्स किंवा बिझनेसमॅन तयार होणं. आणि आज ते स्वप्न थोडंसं मला वाटतं पुरा होत आहे. पण तरी सुद्धा आपल्याला इथे थांबून चालणार नाही. पुढे बरीचशी वाटचाल आपल्याला करायची आहे. त्यासाठी BCBAचे कमिटी मेंबरचं एक तुम्हाला आव्हान आहे, एक अपील आहे की नवीन मेंबर्स करावे. सेकंडली अटेंड द मीटिंग्स. जास्तीत जास्त मेंबर्सनी जर अटेंड केले तरी मला वाटतं आपल्याला आणखी मोठा सक्सेस मिळू शकेल. आणि थर्डली कमिटी मेंबर्समध्ये आम्हाला आणखी काही मेंबर्सची गरज आहे. बरेचसे जे वेळ देऊ शकतात आणि या BCB असोसिएशनला, आपल्याला ख्रिश्चन असोसिएशनला एक चालना देऊ शकतात. अशासाठी मी एक अपील करतो सर्वांना की एक मेंबर्स वाढवा आणि थोडासा हातभार लावा. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. निलेश.
Thank you, Pius sir. And as Pius sir rightly said, dream it, wish it, and do it. So let's close for the day to do it ahead. Thank you and good night, everyone.
Thank you.
So we'll be here for next 5-10 minutes or so for informal talks or meetings. So whoever wants to wait for 5 minutes, they can wait, and whoever is in hurry can move ahead.
Thank you, Nilesh. It was very well organized. Very nice.
Thanks, Nilesh. Good to see you and keep attending.
Sure.
Attend next Friday a virtual site visit.
Sure, I will.
Right.
I had one question, Nilesh. This virtual site visit, how does it go? Because like how can I do it since I am baking?
Same the way you are sitting there. You can show your instruments, you can show your process, and we as a participants will have an opportunity to see to it.
Okay.
and make 10 cakes separately to show how the decoration is there. And then we'll come and eat it, so we'll understand what is the taste.
Correct, Samsel. Correct. That's the right way.
Samson, tell me when is your birthday? I'll send you cake. You look like you
27
love.
November 1980. I mean 2020. 27 November 2020.
No, it's okay. You're as young as you feel. So yeah, 27 November. I'll save your date.
Yes,
And I will send you a cake.
So Cal,
Neither, even if the lockdown opens, you have to send the cake to Samsung virtually.
So Cal, how did you find it? Cal Fernandez, how did you find it? What's your experience? And you are on mute. Yeah. So you are a part of a huge community now. So how did you find today's meeting, and what's your experience, and what do you expect?
Yeah, this was really very informative, and got to know a lot of people and what they deal with, and a lot of inputs, a lot of encouragement, and that you all always support a budding or a new entrepreneur.
Yeah.
And especially during this lockdown time when people have lost jobs, and even I have lost this thing, and just starting to put something together and start up afresh from this,
right.
rather than being dependent on a job which may never happen in the near future.
Yeah.
Because the industry is such that things are very bad, and
Right.
this I said I might as well start up something on my own. At least I will get something.
True. Definitely, and we are there with you. So keep sending your advertisements in WhatsApp group.
Daily.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Yeah.
Daily ones.
Yes, Braun.
Yeah, and I'm sure like everybody has got a vehicle or something like that. So definitely the need for an engine oil change or an oil change or some lubricant is required in the world of today.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Braun. Yeah.
Hey, hi, good evening. It was fantastic, Nilesh, the presentations. This is the first kind of experience for me, and especially the chat room where we're discussing one-to-one discussions for people. It was like a new experience for me, and I never knew that Zoom had such kind of facilities.
Good.
And the curriculum, the process from start to end, it was fantastic. And thank you. And I think I've never been to like a sales type of person. I've always been an operation kind of activity, financials. So this is something new for me.
Good.
Let's hope we'll be powerful with everyone.
Yes. Good. Yes, Sandra, you want to share something?
Actually, I want to share the same thing. This was a new experience, being in a small group. I remembered about my church.
You are on mute. You again went on mute. Sandra, you are on mute. Yeah. Yes. No.
Hello?
No. Yeah, Sandra.
You're getting?
Yes.
Okay. There was a call during which I got disconnected. So there was a campaign in the church where we used to introduce ourselves. So it was a good experience. I just loved it. And thanks for inviting me in this meeting. Very soon I will join this.
Good. All right. So be active in WhatsApp group. Keep posting your information, your advertisements, your marketing campaigns. Make optimum use of WhatsApp group so that we collectively improve and do something good. All right. So
Bye. Recording stop.
Yeah. Yes.